Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear students? Hope you all will be good. Okay, today I will deliver the lecture number 15 in front of you. Open your page number 22 of English Summer Pack workbook. Yes, the page number 22. There is also, today we will do the phonic practice. Choose the suitable letters from both boxes and make words. Choose the suitable letters from both boxes and make the words. Okay, you can choose the letters from this box and join them to make a word. Okay, tell me, what is the first picture? Yes, this is bag. Bag. Okay, now tell me the sound of bag. B A G. Yes, B A G. Very nice, class. Okay, first letter we'll take from this box. What letter will take? Yes, B. 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 Ag. Bag. B. Ag. Bag. Yes, we will write here. B. Yes. B. A. G. B. A. G. Bag. We will pronounce this B. Ag. Bag. B. Ag. Bag. Okay. What is the next picture? Fan. Yes, what is the next picture? Fan. Very nice. An. 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 Fan. We'll write here. Yes, F. A. Fan. An. Fan. Very nice, class. Okay. What is the next picture? Map. Map. What is the beginning sound of map? Yes. App. What is the app sound? Yes, this is the app sound. App. Map. App. Map. Here we will write M. A. P. Map. App. Map. Very nice. Okay, what is the next picture? Yes, jam. Jam. J. Am. Jam. J. Am. Jam. Here we will write J. 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 A. A. M. J. Am. Jam. Okay, what is the last picture of this page? Dad. Dad. This is dad. Dad. Dad and son. Dad. Okay. D. Add. Dad. D. Add. Dad. Here we will write D. D. A. D. 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 A. D. Dad. Okay. B. Ag. F. An. App. J am d add. Okay class, now we'll do the next page. Now we'll do the page number 23. Look and write, read book page 2 to 22 and find the fruit's name and write the beginning sound of their names. Okay, you will first read the book page 2 to 20 and then find the fruits and write the beginning sound here. What is the first fruit? Apple. Apple. What is the beginning sound of apple? A. Apple. Here we write lowercase a. Yes. Go down and a apple. What is the next picture? Grapes. 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 Very nice class. What is the next picture? Mango. 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 Okay, you will complete this page at your home. This is your homework. Do the page number 22 and 23 at your home. Okay, take care and Allah Hafiz.